My name is Paetzold. I work for Texas A&M AgriLife Research and Extension Center, and I work for Dr. Charlie Rush. So our project right now is mainly focused on the psyllid haplotype and LSO haplotype, because before the level to research the psyllid stayed on the positivity of LSO, but with the availability of HRM, high resolution melting, to distinguish the 4 different haplotypes of psyllid, and the availability of cyber melt to distinguish LSO-A and LSO-B, these 2 different pathogens. So we decide to expand our research, especially on these 2 specific fields. So our objectives are to measure how psyllids survive during the winter time, and see if haplotype change over time, like for example the 4 seasons, not only if psyllid can survive, but what kind of haplotype they are, and also to see if there's any relationship between the LSO haplotype and also the psyllid haplotypes. So to achieve our objectives, we use several methods such as HRM and cyber melting, and also the quantitative qPCR to quantify the psyllid LSO. Our results are, well, so far, not all the locations have psyllid haplotype change, but in some locations like Andrews and bushland, yeah, we did see the psyllid haplotype change over time. And we also found out the percentage of LSO positive distribute not evenly in the 3 psyllid haplotypes, such as, well, overall it's about 2.5% positives among the 3 haplotypes, the central, the western, and the southwestern. Actually, northwestern haplotype is not in our research, because so far northwestern haplotype only been found in Idaho, Washington, and Oregon State, so they're not in Texas yet. So we found out overall it's about 2.5% positive among the 3 psyllid haplotypes, and we found about 2.7% positive in the central haplotype. However, we did not find any in the southwestern haplotype, and we found about 6.7% of positive in western haplotype, which is higher than average. So that is very interesting. We also look at the relationship between the LSO haplotype and the psyllid haplotype, and so far, since we did not have so many positives, so likely and the more research is needed to evaluate all the haplotypes. So, but with what we get, and south haplotype has about 75% LSO-A, so which is very high, and LSO-A and LSO-B evenly distribute in the central haplotype. So, and also we found this psyllid haplotype shift. So, it suggests the migration might happen in these areas such as bushland and Andrews, but we did not find any haplotype shift in Delhart, Alton, and Fort Stockton. And also, potentially, alternatively, the environmental change might favor one haplotype over other. So that's pretty much the conclusion.